Hello and welcome to Tathagat GS Prep YouTube channel. Dear student, we have already dealt question up to 51 in the part first. Today we shall discuss the rest of the questions from 52nd question. Here it is the one kind notice that many of you have not been joined our Telegram channel by the name Tathagat GS Prep. Kindly do join and get the access so that you will be notified many relevant information for your examination and also updates relating the jobs and any important notification for your competitive exams. Then without due delay, let's get started the questions. Here, the direction given for question number 52 to 58 is, here they will going to test your right prefix. Okay, right prefix. Prefix means the word which you use mean before the other word. The same kind affixes also comes. That means you will going to be used in the end of the word. Here prefix have to be, here they have given the example, frogs and crocodiles are dash BNs. For that prefix they also given the hint here, live both on land and water, means these are called as the amphibians. So that option third is the correct. MP is the right prefix here, not a B, not a MB, not a kata. Like that you have to identify the right prefix from the question number 52 to 58. Let us look at the question number 52. The question reads as, all employees of the company expressed their dash agreement over their rate of increment. Here they also given the what exactly does it mean, that all employees were not agreeing to their increment. Whatever they getting the increment, they are not happy for that. Here the right prefix will be disagreement. They are disagreeing on that increment issue. The question number 53. Dr. Salim Ali is an dash forgettable ornithologist in India. It means that people of India never forget. They are reiterating here in the bracket, they are reiterating the what you need to be identified. The right suffix will be unforgettable. He is unforgettable is the right answer. For the question number 54, P. Lankesh wrote that the nature of human beings moves from visible wealth towards dash visible wealth. It does mean, according to P. Lankesh, the nature of a human beings moves towards wealth that is not visible. Here the hint is not visible. Means here we should write invisible wealth. Right? All the people of a village believed that Appanna is a sane person. Whereas the king recognized him as an dash sane person. It does mean that the king recognized that Appanna was not a sane person. For right prefix here is the insane person is the correct answer. The next question, one should not eat chicken that is dash cooked. It means that is not properly cooked. Here they have explained it. The right prefix here will be the under. Just try yourself with the other options putting in the blanks. Then you will come to know the contextual meaning and the right word what would be the? These are the easy questions I would rather say. In India, only 10% of population is dash literate. Means only 10% of population of India is unable to read. Unable to read means who is the illiterate and write. Who cannot read, who is unable to read and write, we say that illiterate. Ill would be the right answer. For the question number 58, in many countries it is dash legal to keep a gun in your house. What it means? Keeping a gun is not legal. Not legal means illegal, illegal, mislegal. Illegal would be the correct. So correct answer, illegal, option 3. Here, the next direction for the question number 59 to 64. Here you need to identify the grammatically incorrect one. Grammatically incorrect one. Okay. Here they have given the example. Neither he nor his team were present that day. It should be was present that day. So that option number 4 is the wrong here. Here they have given the explanation. The option 4, see here they are given was present that day. Right, like that. Let us see the question number 59. Will you please request again what you said? Here, the third one will be the incorrect. One of the drawbacks of modern education are that it does not encourage original thinking. Here, it should be education is that. The option second is the grammatically incorrect. For the question number 61, the boy who met you yesterday is my cousin brother. Was my cousin brother. He met yesterday, right? For that reason, the option 4th will be the correct answer. It is grammatically incorrect. So that 4th option will be the right. Where did you lose your watch? What it should be? Where did you lost? Right? So our option will be this one. Third is the grammatically incorrect. So our option will be the third is the correct answer. The number of absentee in annual examination are increasing. What it should be? Examination is increasing. So this one is the correct. It's a grammatically incorrect. Take 2 spoonfuls of this medicine every 3 hours. So full should not be there. So second is the grammatically incorrect. Our answer will be the second option. See dear students, I would request you to subscribe our channel for more informative videos that will really help you to crack any examination, be it from PC to IAS. We have even analyzed IAS exam question papers in Kannada, and the upcoming assignments are to analyze all question papers with current updates. Okay, the question would have been not relevant today, but we will make that relevant. What if that same question is asked today? What would be the right answer? How the option would have been changed? How the questions may change these days? I think it will going to be a very better worthful videos for you. So I would request you to get subscribed and also share with your friends so that they will also come to know the quality of education is available in YouTube. Here from the 65 to 70, the direction, your ability to use the appropriate preposition. What? You need to use the preposition. Okay. The example here they given is that they took possession, dashed the ball on their own goal line. Here, off should be correct, right? Off, to, for, with. Among these four options, off is the appropriate. Likewise, let us see the questions. The question number 65. This dress was made dash old cloth. Out of should be the correct. Of old cloth, from old cloth, out of old cloth, by old cloth. This was made or out of the or of or by. The appropriate one will be the out of. The next one, I met him dash the church in Bangalore. Here the appropriate answer will be at. At. Next one, the train blew its whistle as it went inside tunnel or through tunnel. Both are correct. Both are correct. These are not. Either you could either inside or through the tunnel. Both are correct here. What would you like to do? Dash swim in the river. Beside, you may get confused with beside and beside. It should be besides. Yes. The 69. The sky is dash us, over us, upon us, on us, above us. The right answer is the sky is above us. This is the right way of using the preposition. We have no evidence to go. We have no evidence to go. Upon. Upon is the right preposition here. Let us see the next directions for the question number 71 to 78. You have to select the correct from the phrasal verb in the blank. He dashed the orders given by his boss. Here, carried out. He carried out the orders given by his boss. Here the same explanation has been given to you. Kindly look at. Let us see the question number 71. He dash as an innocent man looks are deceptive. Here the right phrasal verb will be comes by. Option third is the right. Comes by. He comes by as an innocent man. Looks are deceptive. She dashed after a month's absence. She turned up. Turned up is the right one. The footballer's haircut dash with the young generation within no time. Catching on, caught up, catch a scene. The right answer is caught on. There was a dash in the traffic inconvenienced the public. What would be? Hold up. There was a hold up in the traffic which inconvenienced the public. After getting hit by the mob. The thief dashed and had to be shifted to the hospital. The right answer here is passed out. Celebrities have a tendency to dash in the presence of media. The right one is the show off. Double F. Here, I got a trendy jacket at a dash price. Throw away price. Throw away price. Here, it was a sheer coincidence that Karan dash his English professor at the shopping mall. Here the answer could be either ran into and ran across. Both are the correct. Both correct. Both correct. Ran into and ran across. Both are the correct answers. The next direction. Proverbs. A proverb is given with a blank. Here, you have to complete the proverb by selecting the correct answer from the option given below each question and fill the blanks with the appropriate word so that proverb conveys the meaningful given in the blank brackets. Okay, here the example they given to live in the. What they have given in the bracket is abandon or desert someone in difficult states. Here the appropriate answer is the lodge. Let us see the questions. Don't count your dash before they hatch. Means don't accept a positive result before you actually see it. It means that don't count your chickens before they hatch. You can lead a horse too, but you can't make him drink it. It means that to give someone an opportunity, but not force him to take it. The right answer is water. You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make him drink it. Skeleton in the dash. Skeleton in the dash. An embarrassing fact which someone wishes to keep secret. Here the right answer is cupboard. And here the closet is also correct answer. Either 1 or 4. Both are correct. Both are correct. "82nd. Strike while the dash is hot" means make use of an opportunity immediately. The right answer here is iron. Strike while the iron is hot. Fools rush in where angers fear too means a foolish person get into a situation without much thought. Here the right. Here you must be know with the thread. Okay, thread means like walking in a specified way. In Kannada we say the nadadadu like that. Cowards dies many times before they dash. It does mean it should match the to fear constantly about the challenges in life. Here the cowards dies many times before they die. Deaths. Okay, sorry, deaths. Fall 7 times dash 8. To be stronger and try despite continuous failure. What should be? The stand up. Stand up. For the question number 86 to 90, an incomplete sentence is there. An incomplete incomplete sentence followed by the 4 words or phrase out of which a complete sentence is the best and the most appropriate. You have to choose correct option. Right. His family was economically ruined on account of his wife being fashionable and dash. Here the right answer is the extravagant. Extravagant means lacking restraint in the spending. Means atiyagi ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡೋದು. Let us look at the questions on these directions. Dash she had fever. She attended the conference. Here, although she had fever, she attended the conference. Many students dash doing their homework until it is almost too late. Here, put off. Many students put off during their homework until it is too late. Next one, dash you study, you won't pass the exam. What? If you study, you will pass the exam. Unless you study, you won't pass the exams. The plane dashed and was soon flying high over the town. Took off. Plane took off. Compare your answer dash with partner. With your partner. See, here the passage is given. Just I will slide it down. You may need to go through it, take the screenshots, or just you access the question paper PDF in our Telegram channel. Just go through this. This is a very simple passage they have given. Okay, just I'm sliding slowly. You can take the screenshots and read as of now. I think just pause and take the screenshot here before attending or watching next passage question and answers. Just go through what's the passage. After very much you should come here. Okay, after very much this is the continuation. Continue from here. Here I will just discuss you the answers. I think just take the screenshot here. I'm sorry. Okay, take the screenshot here and read before you watch the analysis. Okay, take the screenshot here too. Okay, I think no line is missing in your screenshots. Right. Yes, dear student, I hope you have gone through the passage, and here it's time to give you answer. Why did Swami Vivekananda not feel hungry? In this passage they are asking. In the passage you have to fix your answers and thinking according to the passage and in passage only. You should not be think out of the passage and then put your knowledge, extra knowledge. Okay, only you have to follow the whatever the information given in the passage. That's all. No any additional information. You might be having many knowledge on that passage or that issue or whatever that will be. Here, why did Swami Vivekananda not feel hungry in this passage? The right answer is he was engrossed in a spiritual talk. Means he was busy. Next one, what was the profession of the poor man mentioned in this passage? It was an easy one. Cobbler. Why did the shoemaker fear that the people might punish him for preparing food for a sannyasi in this passage? I think this one is also very easy one, straightforward. He was a low caste person. is the correct answer. For the question number 94, why did tears come into the eyes of Swamiji in this passage? The right answer is C. Looking at the kindness and the unselfish love of the extremely poor man. For the question number, who is referred to as the free soul by the author? Dear students, kindly go through the passage before watching these questions so that it will help you to check your mistakes. Okay, just don't simply watch the answers, you won't get anything. Here the right answer is either Swamiji or Sannyasi. Both are correct. Both are correct. Again, passages given. Just take a screenshot again for the passage number 2. One more screenshot, half and half. Okay. For the question number 96, what wrong conception about money affects many human minds according to the passage? So the right answer is money is a solution to every human problem. A fool and is money is a one big party refers to a person who spends whatever gets. The answer is according to the passage, the information given here. What is too often the consequence of a sudden windfall? Sudden windfall of a cash as per the author view. Simple one, comes back to the same financial mess he began with, or sometime even worse than before. Again, take the screenshot and go through or pause the video or go through the passage first, and I hope you have taken the screenshot and gone through the passage once, and here it's the time to check the answer. What phrase does the author use to describe the present day culture? You might have been confused with the either freedom oriented or consumer oriented. The right answer is the consumer oriented. The ME generation in the passage addresses to. It addresses the selfish. Dear students, I hope you find very helpful for this video. Please do like, share and comment whatever the opinion that you felt. In case you dislike the video, please kindly, without forgetting your comments, do mention the reason why you dislike, because we need to improve on that area. Thank you very much for being with me. Very all the best for your exams.